In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I got a .com domain for less than $7 on Namecheap. You will agree that most domain name providers usually charge as much as $20 to $25 for a .com domain, but for a limited time only, Namecheap is giving new users a 57% off discount for their first ever domain on the platform. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get yours, and I'll implore you to trust in the process and have faith, because they've made the system and the process a little bit strenuous, because I know a lot of people would be cashing out of this offer right now. Stick around to the end to find out how to get your domain for less than $7.
Let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is get the funds available, and I'd advise you get about $7 minimum in your bank account or in your bank card. The next thing you want to have on hand is your domain name, or a name you'd like to register a domain for. So for today's video, we'll be using manuallyshoes.com. Now this account I'm actually searching this domain with, I've already used the coupon code on it, so if I should try applying the coupon code again, it won't work. So let's see. I've just searched for manuallyshoes.com. Again, this discount only works for new users, so you must be an absolutely new user to namecheap.com, which is the platform that providing this discount, and you must have never created an account before with the email that you'll be signing up or in with. So you must be an entirely new user on Namecheap, and you must have never used any of their affiliate platforms before, otherwise it would not allow you to use this discount offer. So what you want to do is make sure you copy a code, and now you can add to cart. After adding to cart, you can click on the checkout button, and on this page you enter in the promo code, which should, as you can see, it says this coupon has expired. This is because I've already used this coupon today. Yes, I indeed used it today. So we have to let me just sign out and use another account to show you how the process works. So let me quickly sign in or sign up here. All right, so I've signed up. Let's create an account and continue. All right, so now let's try adding a coupon again with a new account we just created, and you can see the coupon has been successfully applied. So we can confirm our order. And now we're just entering these details. So just ensure you're entering all your account contact information. After that, proceed to setup, enter in all your information or confirm all your entered in information, and then go to billing. Now on this billing page, you will see many payment methods. I want you to select, let's go down, select account funds. Now what this means is that you'll be funding your Namecheap account directly from your bank, so that you'll be paying from your Namecheap wallet. So what we'll be doing is we'll be adding some funds. As you can see, we don't have enough funds in our account, so click on add funds. After clicking on add funds, you select card payments and click next. Now make sure you enter $7 here, so we don't have any issues. $7. In Nigeria, that's about 10,000 naira or less, depending on the exchange rate at the moment. Over here, all you need to do is enter in your card details and proceed. A pop-up will appear that will ask you for an OTP that will enable you to verify payments from your bank. So I won't be doing that today because I've already purchased the domain and I don't wish to purchase Manually Shoes at the moment. So after you've done that and you've confirmed the OTP, the fund will be processed into your Namecheap wallet. The funds will be in your Namecheap wallet, so there will be $7 in your wallet, and then you go back to checking out, click on the view card button, and then you can confirm your order. Now when you're back to your checkout page, instead of the payments, the pay with card payment method, you scroll down and select account funds. By now your account should be funded, and instead of insufficient funds, you'll be seeing a current balance of $7 here. And so after that, you can continue. but we can't continue right now because we have not and will not be funding this new account. So after your account is funded and then you proceed to checking out, this is where the tricky part comes in. They will not approve the code for everyone. So you have to reach out to the customer care representative or support team if the code does not apply to for you. Because I tried several times, up to 5 times, the code did not work, and then I had to reach out to their customer care and they had to create a new code for me, and it's very swift. In less than 30-45 minutes, you get a new code. So if the code does not work for you, you contact the customer care representative, and to do that, you click on chat with a live person. Now, when this page comes up, now click on the chat icon to the right hand corner of the screen and select domain. After selecting domain, you can just quickly enter can't purchase domain. Can't purchase a domain, and then enter. Someone will respond to you, and then you can follow up from there and make sure you tell them you can't purchase a domain because the coupon code is not working, and explain to them that you've never created an account before. This is your first time, and immediately they'll create a new code. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.